Hey, I'm Shrishti, a 2023 pass out from BTech in Computer Science and Engineering at LPU. Currently, I'm working as ST2 at Amazon. Talking about my journey, it has been a very transformational for me. When I joined LPU, I was like a quite beginner in this tech field. There has been a lot of learnings. Like LPU has acted as a launchpad of my career, where I learned to write the first statement of the code to actually building a whole project itself. So there has been like a lot of challenges where like all the faculties and the placement cell have always been there to help me out. LPU has acted as a career engine for me. When I came into the college, I was completely a cool student, I would say. I was only limited to reading the books and all, and I would talk about only grades and all. Industries requires a lot of things which you have to deliver, and I was not aware of it. But these things were actually made to me learn by the LPU CSE, such as like aptitude thing. I was never into that, but these curriculums that were provided, different kind of courses, I was limited to the subjects that were the part of my syllabus. But then LPU helped me out with all these kind of courses that would actually help me to get the gist of what's actually happening in the career. I still remember when I came to LPU, I was like a very timid person. I used to be an introvert kind of person who always used to sit on the first bench and would interact very little with the classmates and limit my interactions with the faculties and all. But that's where one of the major courses that I'm very fond of is the soft skill. So there your faculties would ask you to get more interactive with these students, and there would be different kind of group activities which helped me to actually shape my soft skills. I believe that has been a very major part in helping me to also shine into my corporate job. Like I'm able to talk about the things now more frankly. I'm able to put my thoughts better. Always be consistent. Like there would be some times where you would feel that things are not going in a way as you want. There has been many times when I have felt depressed at the time of preparation of my career. But then that's where this motivation comes from within. You know that you have a goal to achieve, and for that goal there would be some uncomfortable choices that you would have to make, some kind of sacrifices that requires consistency and determination. So even if you are failing at some point, don't let that be a setback for you, because eventually what I have learned in past 4 and 5 years is that things will eventually turn out in your favor if you are doing the best job from your end.